How to add payment method on AliExpress. Are you guys facing issues to add a card in AliExpress website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for AliExpress website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. You can see this option for payment. Tap on it. After you click on payment, you'll be forwarded to this section. In this section, just scroll down and click on add new card. After you click on it, you need to fill up your card number, name of the card, expiry date, and CVV number. Once you fill up all these details, tap on save card. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to add payment method on AliExpress. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.